Oh, good morning, and welcome to Calgary Northeast. Today we're going on an adventure, mates. That's right, we're wilding in a store. We're gonna find some new products before anyone else gets here. Well, what's this over here? Follow me. Destination, team. I don't know what's in here, friends. But we'll have to get some friends to open this up. Let's go get them. Oi, so we got the box piercer. But by the time I got back, they already opened the crate. This is the base of the Predator. It's a terrifying monster, but it's gonna be sick. Boy, so our friends here are about to open it. We don't know what's inside. It's terrifying. It could be a beast. It could be a kaiju. It could be a giant venomous snake. Oh, it's a gaming chair. That's right. That's the Acer Predator Thronos. What a machine. Right now, they're putting on the shelling, or its body armor, to make sure the RGB is vibrant and beautiful. Now carefully, we can examine her back spine and really see the beauty of this future RGB. Look at these curves, look at these cuts, the angles are absolutely delicious. The chair's tranquilized, so they're able to move it safely and quietly, because when it's on, its RGB is aggressive, it's only attack. It's beautiful, but deadly. Now, this is the most crucial part in the assembly. They're gonna move the sleeping beast onto its new home, in its new enclosure. We gotta be very careful because it's... Oh, here they go. They're going right now. We're good. Alright, the technicians here are working tirelessly to get this monster its vision. It's gonna have 3 custom-mounted Acer Predator X271U monitors, 27-inch IPS panels with wide quad high definition, with a resolution of 2560 by 1440. These are gonna have a combined total of 7680 pixels wide and 1440 pixels tall. What a beautiful monster. Look at these peepers. Looking gorgeous. They have a refresh rate of 144 Hz and they're G-Sync compatible. These things gonna have more pixels than our piranhas in Lake Winnipeg. Alright, the Predator was just on the move. It made a sneaky movement. Oh, it's getting ready. Oh, the lights are on. It's waking up. Close real quick. Wow. Oh, she just woke up. She opened up her jaws. She's waiting for someone to jump in as a next victim. Wow. Crazy. We're in the belly of the beast. Goodbye.
So scared?
Alright, now the next step is to get the brain of the beast in. The Orion 9000. Alright, now we're next to the brain of the beast. The Acer Predator Orion 9000. Packed inside, we've got an 8700K, 64 gigs of RAM, 2 TB hard drive, a 256 SSD, we've got a GTX 1080 Ti, and 64 gigs of RAM. Yikes! Going in.
Headphones, senor?
Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you again. Safe travels.
All right.
Our Predator tamers are gone now. We have windows initiated. There should be completely no danger. We're gonna examine this beast and see what's inside and what makes it tick. Let's check out the specs. First off, let's take a look at the motorized Predator gaming chair. It reclines to a maximum of 140 degrees. Sickening. As you've seen, this beaut has the displays attached to the Scorpion arc, and the chair controls activate via the control pad. Scorpions can be very dangerous, so be cautious not to hit your head on the Scorpion kaiju. Zero issues with viewing angles thanks to the curved IPS monitor design, so resulting unparalleled gameplay immersion. You can also adjust the monitor height to get a perfect setting for you in this control pad. Let's talk about lighting for a moment here. We got different lighting settings on the inside of the beast. We got some overhead, and we got the RGB. It's like a thunderstorm on the prairies. Now you're probably wondering what peripherals come with this. Well, the mouse is the Predator Cestus 510. Dual arm run switches with a lifespan of 70 million clicks combined between left and right buttons. 16,000 DPI if you're crazy, and swappable covers for the top, left, and right panel, along with removable weights for customized comfort. Now, custom mouse pad and keyboard tray. It's mechanized keyboard tray for easy access to this throne. Extra wide comfort gaming mousepad expanding the full length of this beast. And look at this, 2 cup holders. Madness. Next, it's what you've all been asking about. What is the keyboard? Well, it's the Predator Aethon 500 mechanical keyboard with KO blue switches with audible clicks and tactile response. Light keystrokes are ideal for gaming sessions, and this has it all. With the headset, we got the Predator Galea 300 watt 3.5mm connection, it's retractable microphone, and True Harmony 3D soundscape technology. Alright guys, you wouldn't believe what I found. Remember when I told you about haptic feedback earlier? Guess what I found? I found the haptic feedback controller right here, in the back of the chair, where it should be. This is going to let you get to that immersive gaming experience. If you really want the chair to vibrate and go violent, you're playing some spicy games. Perfect. That's exactly what you need turned on. It's time for me to jump inside the belly of the beast, the Predator, and live my wildest dreams. We have our flight sim booted up, so no excuses while I fly back to Canadian accent and experience the beast in a huge flying game. Time for a big Nerd Steve reaction. Let's check it out. Alright guys, I am very excited right now because the flight sim we have booted up is Star Wars Battlefield 2, and I'm a huge fan of the X-Wing and TIE Fighter series, the books. The fact you get to live and experience that in a game format is amazing. And now I get to experience it in 7860 by 1440, which I've never done in my life, so I need to get in here and see if it's like the classic battle pods of the arcade. So, without further ado, here we go. Oh man! I'm very excited. Oh my god, it's charging me! Alright guys, we're going to Death Star debris. This is much like the pilot simulator from the arcades of old. So, here we go. Cut that out. Of course, we're playing as the Imperials because the Empire did nothing wrong. You can just see the whole thing. This is crazy to me. There we go, just like that. Nice. What an experience to be in the cockpit of the TIE Fighter. Can I go again? Or do we have time? You know, it's one thing playing your desktop and having to experience that, but then when you're actually able to experience it like with this triple wide monitor in this seat, it kind of immerses you into it. It's something else. So you got to come down to the Northeast and try this out yourselves. I'm genuinely pleased. And I had a lot of fun, so I'm just super excited that we are able to do stuff like this and you're able to come experience it for yourself and have that gaming moment like I did. So I'm very, very happy, genuinely impressed, and we're going to do another map. Oh man, what do we do? Imperial Shipyard? Alright guys, and that's it for our Thronos video. What an experience. Come on down to the Calgary Northeast location and check it out for yourself. And if you ask nicely in the YouTube comments, I might just meet you here to take you for a spin in TIE Fighter. Alright guys, and if you're still watching at this point, I want to also invite you down for our Grads and Dads sale this week. We got some sizzling deals. We got the Noble Wi-Fi 30 review, if you guys remember that. We got that on sale this weekend as well. It's a Hyper 212 Black Cooler. Again, another thing we did a review on. So come on down, grab some of those sizzling deals, and take this mighty Predator for a spin. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!
You already did, yeah.
Alright friends, the Predator, Thanos.
Do you need to time that again?
Defeated. Just comes